We know exercise is crucial when it comes to living a healthy life, but we also know we need to fuel our bodies to keep up that active routine. So in today's Healthy Eats, we're learning how to maximize nutrition for those pre and post-workout meals. Giving us the why when it comes to what we eat is registered dietitian nutritionist Dawn Jackson Blatner. Dawn, it's time to get smart about what we're putting in our mouths before and after a workout, but why should we even think about it?
If you're gonna put in all of the effort doing your workout, it is best to think about how you're fueling before and how you're fueling after to get the most out of all that work. So what you eat before, what you eat after really can impact how much that you get out of that exercise.
Okay, the biggest question that everybody has is, should we eat before we work out or should we eat after we work out?
A little something before a workout actually can fuel you and feel very good. And after workout is a must. Your body needs repair and recovery. So really, it could be before and after a workout. So the goal before a workout is to give you just a little bump of fuel and a little bit of protection for your muscles. So the beautiful combination that is very simple before a workout is produce, like a piece of fruit, that will give you those carbs, which are fuel to get you going, and then protein to help keep those muscles protected. And protein examples would be nuts, nut butter, a cheese stick, hemp seeds, and not too much. You just want it to be a snack size.
Let's talk about post-workout. Is that still a snack, something quick and easy?
After a workout, and if you've done a good, hard, strong workout, your body is saying, please feed me. And you really need a balanced meal. You need to replenish what you just used. So something like carbohydrates, like quinoa, will help replenish what you just used. You need protein to rebuild the muscles that you just ripped up and used, like a chicken breast. And you need vegetables, lots of colorful vegetables and a healthy fat in order to repair everything you've done.
So Dawn, give us the timeline. How soon before and how long after should we be eating these snacks and meals?
For a workout, it's about 30 to 60 minutes that you would have one of these produce and protein snacks. When it comes to after workout, you can eat right away if you're hungry, and then up to about 2 hours. You don't want to wait too long because your body really is excited to get those nutrients in and start recovery.
And speaking of fueling up a workout, today you're going to show us how to make our own Electrolyte sports drink.
It's very easy to make, just 3 ingredients. So the first thing you're going to need is coconut water. It's actually nature's sports drink, and I put about 8 ounces in there. And then you need about a 1/16, very tiny amount of sea salt. And so that 1/16 of a teaspoon of sea salt is what we're losing in sweat. So now we are creating all those electrolytes to replenish what we're sweating out. For flavor, my third ingredient is a little lemon. I love lemon, and I feel like it really makes this taste sort of like lemonade. If you want to bring it to the next level, you can actually add matcha green tea powder or even beetroot powder for a little natural energy kick.
So I think wrapping it all up, as we're considering what we're eating pre and post workouts, if we're mindful about what we're putting in our mouths, we're going to reap the rewards in our exercise routines and live a healthy life.
If you pay attention to what you're eating before and after a workout and you're staying well hydrated, you will have the best workouts of your life.
Great information. Dawn, thank you so much.
Thanks, Jane. I got to go work out now.
If you want even more healthy eating advice, we're sharing lots of information from our experts. Just search for us on Facebook at Living Healthy Chicago. Hey, did you like that? And now you want more info about living a healthy life? Well, it's easy. Just check out these videos right here.